Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a valid photo ID, a secure email, and a trusted mobile device. Once done, install the official Coinbase app or open the website. Make sure you use your home Wi-Fi or a private VPN. You will choose between a custodial Coinbase account and the non-custodial Coinbase wallet. Decide now because it changes recovery and control. Enter your email, create a strong, unique password, and enable 2FA to lock the account before proceeding to wallet setup. Now you create the wallet inside Coinbase Wallet or link your custodial account. Tap Create or Import. If creating, the app generates a 1224-word recovery phrase. Write it down on paper immediately and store it offline in 2 separate secure locations. Do not photograph or store the phrase in Cloud Notes. Once written, confirm the phrase in the app. Then enable biometric unlock or a strong PIN, verify 2-factor authentication, and consider an encrypted cloud backup only if you understand the trade-off. Finally, fund your wallet by linking a bank, using a card, or receiving crypto to your address. Check network fees before sending so you don't overpay. Once funds arrive, verify transaction details, and for Ethereum tokens, set appropriate gas limits. You can now send, receive, and connect to dApps as needed. If something goes wrong, immediately attempt wallet restore using your recovery phrase on a fresh install. If you suspect account compromise, contact Coinbase support and freeze linked payment methods right away.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.